In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay transparent worksheets onto a dashboard background image in Tableau. This process will help you create visually compelling dashboards with layered visuals. Let's dive right into it, starting with launching the Tableau app. Once you've opened Tableau, it's time to access the worksheet you're working on, where all the magic is going to happen. Now that we're in our worksheet, we first need to create a visual, like a scatterplot chart, which will serve as the data visualization overlay you're planning to use. Begin by dragging the segment field to the color area. This allows you to differentiate between the various segments using distinct colors, making your chart much more insightful at a glance. Next up, drag product name into the detail area. By doing so, you add more granularity and context to your visualization. Now let's incorporate some quantitative data. Drag quantity onto the columns shelf and sales onto the rows shelf. This action will structure your scatter plot, placing quantity on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis, which is a classic setup for scatter plots. To enhance the visual representation, click on Shape and pick a dark circle. This choice makes the data points stand out more vividly on your chart. Right-click on any axis, select Edit Axis, and in the settings, go for a custom setup. Set the fixed start to 500 and the fixed end to 34,000, adjusting your chart's data range to truly reflect your data variance. Once you've set these parameters, click OK. Repeat these steps on the bottom axis, but this time set 1 as fixed start and 100 as fixed end. These custom limits help you manage the range effectively, ensuring nothing crucial falls out of view. Transitioning to your dashboard, click on Dashboard to open the dashboard interface. Drag an image object directly onto the dashboard sheet. Select an image from your device to upload. This image will act as the dashboard's background. You might want to tap into the layout options to further customize your dashboard's appearance, adapting it to your specific need. Now, tailor the size of the sheet on your dashboard by using the size adjustment tools. With floating selected, drag your sheet onto the image to make it seemingly float on top. This setup gives it a sleek, professional look. To declutter, right-click and hide the title of the overlay sheet. Don't forget to return to Layout for further refinements and navigate back to your sheet as needed. Right-click on both Quantity and Sales headings to uncheck Show Header. Next, navigate to Map and select Background Image. Choose your data source and add another image, uploading it from your device. Set under quantity as 1 on the left and 100 on the right. For sales, 500 on the bottom and 34,000 on the top. After inputting these settings, click Apply and OK to confirm. Finally, return to your dashboard for any final adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully overlaid transparent worksheets onto a Tableau dashboard background image.